morning, students. Today we will discuss about chemical properties of alcohol and phenol. Beta, alcohol and phenol both have functional group OH. Both have functional group OH. But either alcohol or phenol both have tendency to lose H positive ion. Both have tendency to lose H positive ion due to more electronegatividity of oxygen. Oxygen attract electrons towards itself from oxygen hydrogen bond and they will behave as acid. Beta, proton donor are acid. So either alcohol or phenol both are acidic in nature. Both are acidic in nature because both of them have tendency to lose H positive ion. Beta, alcohol lose H positive ion to give alkoxide ion, and phenol by loss of H positive to give phenoxide ion. On the basis of alcohol or phenol that have tendency to lose H positive ion, both are acidic in nature. Out of these, which are more acidic? Explain acidic behavior. And first of all, out of water and alcohol. First of all, out of water and alcohol, which one is more acidic? Beta, which one is more acidic? Yes, draw the structure of water as well as alcohol. In both the case, OH bond, OH single bond is there, but alcohol has alkyl group and alkyl group show plus I effect. Beta, alcohol show alkyl group have plus I effect. That means it have tendency to donate electrons to the oxygen atom. Clear? But there is no alkyl group. Oxygen is more electronegative in both the case. It attracts electrons towards itself. In case of alcohol, alkyl group due to plus I effect increase the electron density, so it will lose H positive very slowly. Beta, it lose H positive very slowly. Why? Due to presence of alkyl group, and alkyl group have electron donating inductive effect. But in case of water, beta, water do not contain any alkyl group. So due to more electronegative nature, either one of the hydrogen atom lose by water molecule to attract electrons towards oxygen due to absence of any alkyl group. So it will lose H positive hydrogen ion very frequently. And the compound which lose H positive very easily is more acidic. So our answer, water is more acidic than alcohol. Our answer, beta, water is more acidic than alcohol. One query is over. Beta, alkyl group decrease the acidic character. Alkyl group decrease the acidic character due to its electron donating inductive effect. As a result, acidic character of water decrease and any alkyl group is not present in case of water. So water lose H positive very easily and frequently, it is more acidic. Now another question, out of, beta we have three type of alcohol: primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, as well as tertiary alcohol. We have three type of alcohol: primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, as well as tertiary alcohol. Out of these three alcohol, which one is more acidic and why? Our answer, beta, primary alcohol. It is secondary alcohol, and this one is tertiary alcohol. Out of these three, which one is more acidic? Beta, directly you will see in answer that out of water and alcohol, which one is more acidic? Water, because alcohol contain alkyl group. That means as the alkyl group increase, acidic character decrease. Number of alkyl group in tertiary alcohol is 3, in secondary alcohol 2, and in primary alcohol 1. As the number of alkyl group increase, plus I effect increase and acidic character decrease. Primary alcohol is more acidic than secondary alcohol due to plus I effect of alkyl group. As the electron density on oxygen increase, it lose H positive very slowly. 3 group donate electron to the carbon, carbon donate these 3 pair electron to the oxygen. So oxygen do not need more electrons from hydrogen. So tertiary alcohol lose H positive very slowly. Then we can say tertiary alcohol is more acidic, then secondary alcohol, then primary alcohol. Clear? Now our question, out of alcohol and phenol, which one is more acidic? Out of alcohol and phenol, which one is more acidic? Better you clearly known that alcohol consists of alkyl group, so alcohol is less acidic. And phenol, beta phenol consists of more stable compound, that is benzene. It increase the resonance, and more the resonating structure, more acidic the compound. Beta ji, out of alcohol and phenol, phenol is more acidic. Why? Due to resonance. Beta, if you want to represent the resonating structure of alcohol, none of the resonating structure will be formed. कोई resonating structure नहीं. But if you draw the resonating structure of phenol, start to draw. Beta, benzene is more stable and more electronegative, so it attracts electrons towards itself from substituent group, that is oxygen. It attracts electrons towards itself because benzene is more electronegative than oxygen. And pi electron of benzene will start to be delocalized on the another carbon. Oxygen donate the electrons, so oxygen carry positive charge. These two bonds remain intact. In the same way, you will draw another structure. These resonating structure will be drawn in our last chapter, chlorobenzene. Same structure, beta, in place of chlorine you will use OH, otherwise same. Now these electron will move to another carbon. Pi bond electron will be transferred on adjacent carbon. Now electrons are moving back on the same carbon, and carbon lose the electron again to the oxygen, and we will get the new structure, that is phenol. Show 5 resonating structure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Beta, more the resonating structure, more stable the compound and more acidic, because in structure number 2nd, 3rd and 4th oxygen carry positive charge. Oxygen is more electronegative than hydrogen, so due to positive charge present on oxygen atom, beta oxygen attract electrons towards itself and it lose H positive very easily. This is due to structure number 2nd, 3rd and 4th. So we can say phenol is more acidic as compared to alcohol. Beta, phenol is more acidic as compared to alcohol. Now one more question in the same way. Out of phenol and phenoxide ion, which one is more stable and why? Our question: out of phenol and phenoxide ion, which one is more stable and why? Beta, which one is more stable and why? In front of you, these are 5 resonating structure of phenol. Answer: stability. Stability on the basis of resonance. Phenol. Now draw the structure of phenoxide ion. Now draw the structure of phenoxide ion. Beta, phenoxide ion is formed by phenol. Due to some reason, phenol loses H positive ion to give phenoxide ion. Beta, phenoxide ion. Draw the structure, resonating structure of phenoxide ion. Again, benzene is more electronegative, it attracts electrons towards itself and pi electrons start to be delocalized. Another structure. In the same way as like this or chlorobenzene. Beta phenol and phenoxide ion both have 5 resonating structure. On the basis of these, we can't explain the stability because more the resonating structure, more stable. Same number of resonating structure, same stable. On the basis of resonating structure, we can't explain the acidic behavior. Then what happened? How explain? Beta, you will see structure number 2nd, 3rd and 4th of phenol. It is structure number 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here is structure number 2nd, 3rd and 4th. Ionic character of phenol is there. Ionic character of phenol is there, but charges present on atom make it less stable. Why make it less stable? Why beta? Because more electronegative atom carry positive charge, less electronegative atom carry negative charge. This phenomena make the phenol less stable. But all the 5 resonating structure of phenoxide ion carry only negative charge. So each and every structure is equally stable. On this basis, beta phenoxide ion is more stable. We can say phenoxide ion is more stable as compared to phenol because in structure number 2nd, 3rd and 4th, less electronegative atom carry negative charge, more electronegative atom carry positive charge. This opposite nature make the phenol less stable. But in case of phenoxide ion from structure number 6 to 10, all structures carry -1 charge or negative charge, which make the each structure equally stable. So phenol is less stable than phenoxide ion, or you can say phenoxide ion is more stable than phenol. But it cannot be explained by this phenomena that more the resonating structure, more stable, because both phenol and phenoxide ion have 5 resonating structure, equally stable on the basis of that line. But ionic nature, ionic behavior cancel the electronegativity, which make it less stable. Thank you.